Good.
So, this is how to get rid of your hiccups.
Hang on, wait. Okay, go ahead.
Put your mouth in front of the cup, right here, not where you usually drink it, not like that, like this. And then drink out of the back.
Try not to spill.
No more.
No more hiccups. Wow.